Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be doing something new. So this will be the first unboxing video of the Misguided Travels channel. And what are these? It feels like Christmas. I have so many things that I need to that I'm unwrapping. It feels like Christmas. So I just got these today. Today's Feb the 3rd, the day after the 2/2 sale on Shopee and Lazada. So I got these, I got both of these from Shopee. These are drawing materials. So the reason why I've been buying a lot more drawing materials the last few days is, if you've seen one of my previous videos on souvenirs you can find in Thailand, I mentioned that one of the things I've mentioned is drawing materials, which includes anything from colored pencils to pastels, and even including, like, say, writing materials like fountain pens, pencils, and that sort of thing. So the first one that we'll be unboxing will be, this one is from Horse, which is a local brand. I got this one yesterday, so I was surprised that they managed to ship it so quickly and it arrived today. Okay, so I just got 2 items from them. So I got oil pastels, 25 colors, and these would be 36, a pack of 36 colored pencils, regular colored pencils, not the water-soluble ones. So let me just quickly show you this one. So the total for this one is 129 baht. I think they had like a 10%, 15% sale. Yeah, so we will be having a review on how these drawing materials look on paper. Okay, so next one is the bigger box. This is a way bigger box. Is from Daz. Daz, I don't know if I'm pronouncing it correctly, but Daz supplies they have a number of brands. Like for coloring and drawing materials, they carry Renaissance and Masters. So during the 2/2 sale, they had all sorts of stuff like colored pencils, something 30% off. Apparently there were a lot of people. I had a feeling a lot of people would be buying, so I got these. I ordered these like a few days before the 2/2 sale, so January 31st, and so they just arrived today. But the discounts were not so bad. I think I still got a discount of 40%, which is a combination of vouchers, store vouchers, Shopee vouchers, and use of Shopee coins. Okay, let me show you guys what these are. Okay, first one. Okay, these would be the bigger ones. I think this is the elephant. I've actually never tried Elephant. The brand apparently produces colored pencils. They're more well known for their line of paper. So yeah, this is 36 colored pencils, which comes with a free sharpener as well. We'll try those one of these days. Yeah, okay. And watercolor paper. Now, normally these would retail for, I think, 80 baht. But if you bought it during the 2/2 sale, they were sold at a discount of 50 baht. 15 sheets, 200 GSM, A4 size. Okay, next. What are these? It feels like Christmas. I have so many things that I need to, that I'm unwrapping. It feels like Christmas. Then again, it's my birthday in a few weeks, so if anybody would like to give me a birthday gift, that would be lovely as well. Okay. There's some random stuff I got. A Renaissance paintbrush. Oh, clutch pencil. Yeah, I bought a clutch pencil. The refill. This is a zero brush. Smallest paintbrush. Thinnest paintbrush. And then these are Renaissance markers. These are alcohol based. I wanted to try these out. Because I haven't seen any reviews on these markers, so let me just quickly show you. These are dual tipped, so these are for professionals. So they have a broad tip and the fine tip. So these normally retail for around 34 baht, in the 30s per stick, per color. When I got these, they were at 31 baht minus 40%, almost a 40% discount, so around about 18 baht per marker. So not a bad price. Okay, last one. Okay, I think these are the colored pencils I got from Renaissance and Master Art. Yeah, okay. So I got the Master series, 36 colors. Master has a lot of colored pencils. They have the S series, they have ones for kids. There's also like the Master, there's another type of Master as well. They go from 12 all the way to 100 for the Master series, at least. From what I know, they're not water soluble. Now the reason why I'm getting 36 is I'm trying to make it, when I do the review, I'm trying to make it consistent. So as much as possible, I'm trying to get all of the 36 colors. So like the other ones, there's also like a free sharpener at the bottom. So watch out for the review for these ones. So this is the Renaissance. Now, the same brand, this is the water-soluble colored pencils. And these are somewhat a bit more expensive. They're in the, because Master is around about 140 baht for the 36. This is approximately 220 baht, retail price. They also have the artist's line, which is way more expensive. A set of 48 for the artist's line is about 700-800 baht. Okay, so these ones are oil pastels. I'm also collecting these now as well, so I'm trying to see how these will fare. I've been collecting some since December from different brands. So we have the Masters, and we have Renaissance as well. So water soluble oil pastels, 24 colors. So let me just quickly show you guys what I've managed to collect over the last few weeks as well since December. So we have Colleen, 36 retail. I got this for 160, but you should be able to find this at around about 140, 145. So Faber-Castell, the one that you saw in the other video. This was around 220 baht. So this is water soluble already, watercolor pencils. And then these ones were Staylers. I was surprised that they were quite cheap. Because Staylers are a German brand. I got these for 130 baht. Apparently they do have a factory here. I'm not so sure if you'll be able to see it, but it says made in Thailand. So they do have a factory here. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video for where we test out the different coloring materials and see which ones would be worth the price. Bye!